Today, I'm going to show you how to find any asterisk channel on Telegram using a handy, lesser-known method that was discovered back in 2021, but still works perfectly today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to uncover a huge variety of groups and channels on Telegram, even ones you never knew existed, all with just a few simple taps. Let's dive right in so you can start exploring the world of Telegram communities from a whole new angle. First up, you'll want to open your Telegram app either on your phone or right in your browser and head to the search bar at the very top. This is the same search you'd normally use for looking up a friend or a channel by name, but here where the special trick comes in. Type in @searchybot, that's spelled SEARCHE and then the word bot. This is a dedicated search bot, and it's surprisingly powerful for finding almost any kind of Telegram group or channel. After you find @searchybot in the search results, click on it to open up the chat. Don't worry, you're not messaging a real person. This is a bot that's just waiting for your command. To kick things off, type start and send it as a message. This command is like knocking on the door, letting the bot know you're ready to begin your search session. Next, the bot will greet you and ask you to pick your preferred language. Go ahead and select English. It's usually right near the top of the list. This way, all the options and results you get will be easy to read and navigate. If you're helping someone who speaks a different language, you can let them know that there are other choices too. Now comes the fun part. The bot will present you with a list of topics or categories. Think of this almost like browsing aisles in a huge library. Each topic represents a different area of interest, whether it's tech news, fitness, cooking, memes, or even really niche hobbies. Take your time and scroll through the topics. Pick the ones that genuinely interest you. Let's say you're into photography or maybe you want to learn a new language. Just tap on those topics to select them. You can choose more than one if you're feeling curious. After you've made your selections, the bot instantly gets to work. It will begin showing you a list of Telegram groups and channels that are connected to the topics you chose. What's cool is that these results aren't restricted to just the most popular ones. You'll discover a mix of big communities and hidden gems. For example, if you pick travel, you might see channels sharing daily travel deals, city guides, or even small groups where people post photos from their adventures. If you ever want to change your topic, just go back and pick something else to refresh the list. This part might take a few moments if you selected lots of topics, so don't be alarmed if it isn't instant. Feel free to scroll, scan through, and click on anything that catches your eye to join or view the group. Remember, Telegram channels can range from open public chats to private, invite-only spaces, so sometimes you'll need to request access, but most results here will be directly clickable. And honestly, that's all there is to it. With @searchybot, you've unlocked a secret search engine for Telegram channels. A simple method, but one that can connect you to amazing communities based on your interests, no matter how specific they are. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want tips for discovering even more Telegram channels. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, actionable tech guides. I'll see you in the next video.